Okay, do you remember that tiny little kitten from hell who wouldn't shut up? Yeah, there he is. And if you can't tell, he's sort of, my bra at the moment. My boobs. Oh. Amazingly, he's gotten really quiet, which makes me kind of concerned. We have this little kitten. Here's my tattoo, so everyone knows. He's right there in my boobs. Just chilling there. And he's been eating them, chewing on my breasts. Why? I don't know. Yeah, just thought I'd show you like the aftermath of everything. Random kitten. Being a demon. Don't look at me. Bad hair day. But yeah, random kitten being a demon. He's not being a pervert. So, yeah. Anyway, we're done.